Welcome and what is up there everybody, this is Casper Trader back here with another video today, and in today's video we'll be talking about the top 3 reasons why the stock market will be crazy volatile in the next week, and basically why the stock market will have a high probability of making some big moves either up or down, and that's mostly due to these 3 reasons that I'm going to be talking about in today's video. So before I get into it, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd appreciate it a ton. Alright guys, so getting into the video, these are the 3 reasons that I found personally I think the stock market will be moved by the most. There may be some other reasons, but these are the 3 major reasons that I've personally found and researched. And yeah, so let's just get into it. So starting off with number 1, there's one pretty big event happening, and that's the monthly jobs report coming out on Thursday. And according to some experts, they're expecting around 3 million new jobs. And if the report doesn't meet those expectations, then the stock market could drop a decent amount. But if they surpass those expectations by a decent amount, that also may be a catalyst for the stock market to move upwards. So it could go in either direction. We don't know. We just have to see. So that is reason number 1 why the stock market may be volatile, what may cause it to move a lot. Now moving on to number 2, and that is because state by state, there's been a lot of news of rising infections of you-know-what happening all over the country. And if there are some more states that release info on this and maybe negative info, then it also may cause the stock market to have at least some short-term dips like it had in the last week. And this may cause the stock market to move a decent amount actually, depending on how severe the news are. But you just have to stay calm, patient, and think about what you're doing, and I'm sure you'll make the right decisions. So that is reason number 2 why the stock market will be volatile, most likely be volatile in the next week. Now moving on to the third and final reason for this, and that is because the Fed and the president are currently discussing whether or not there will be a second stimulus check, and if this does end up happening, how will it affect the stock market? Well, it depends, but currently we have some unknown factors, and once we figure out if the stimulus check will come out, or if it may be stalled and then given out at a later time, that may affect the stock market, which may cause it to either go up or down a significant amount. And basically, if Trump and the Democrats don't agree on giving out more stimuli, that may cause some basically volatile moves in the stock market. So those are just the 3 reasons why I'd be prepared for a pretty volatile week next week in the stock market. And just consider the fact that we also have a holiday coming up, so the 4th of July, so we're going to have a shorter trading week, 4 days instead of 5. So considering all of those, there may be some big moves in the stock market next week, and I'd just like you guys to be aware of this, and I hope you guys make the right decisions. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.